Are you trying to launch a business using MyCompanyWorks but feel like you are being nickel and dimed by hidden add-ons and confusing service tiers? Starting a new business is stressful enough without worrying if you are overpaying for simple filing tasks, or worse, making costly compliance mistakes that could compromise your corporate liability protection. The fear of choosing the wrong setup plan or missing a critical deadline can easily paralyze your progress or drain your limited startup budget before you even generate your first dollar. What if you could navigate the MyCompanyWorks ecosystem with total precision, cutting unnecessary filing costs, keeping your recurring expenses to a minimum, and maximizing every free resource they offer? When forming an LLC or C corporation, the biggest financial mistake entrepreneurs make is blindly selecting high-tier packages without understanding what services are legally required versus what services are purely optional upsells. MyCompanyWorks offers distinct packages, but if you select a mid-level or top-tier option simply because it looks complete, you may be paying hundreds of dollars for features you can handle yourself in under 10 minutes. The first actionable money-saving strategy centers on selecting the basic package and self-handling the non-essential additions. For instance, obtaining a federal employer identification number, also known as an EIN, is often presented as a paid add-on during the checkout process. While paying a service provider to secure an EIN seems convenient, the IRS actually issues EINs completely free of charge directly through their official website in a process that takes less than 15 minutes. By declining the paid EIN service during your setup flow on MyCompanyWorks, you instantly save a significant upfront fee while retaining total control over your IRS filings. Another area where startup costs accumulate is the selection of registered agent services. Every registered entity must maintain an official agent to receive state notifications and legal notices. MyCompanyWorks provides professional registered agent coverage, which is included in certain packages or billed annually. To decide whether this service saves you money, evaluate your operational privacy needs. If you operate out of a public commercial building, serving as your own registered agent costs nothing, effectively eliminating a recurring annual fee. However, if you run a business from home, using their professional registered agent service prevents your personal home address from becoming a permanent public record accessible on state databases. In that case, paying for the service functions as a protective investment against privacy invasion and unwanted spam, making it a valuable use of capital rather than a wasted expense. To further lower your checkout total, always utilize baseline promotional opportunities before entering payment details. First-time users can routinely apply verified introductory discount codes to lower processing fees by 15 to 25%. Additionally, utilizing an abandoned cart strategy can yield direct savings. By creating an account, selecting your required state filings, entering your information, and pausing at the payment screen for 24 hours, automated follow-up communications frequently send promotional pricing incentives directly to your inbox to encourage completion. Beyond the initial formation process, ongoing state compliance is where long-term cost control becomes essential. State filing fees, annual reports, and franchise tax updates vary significantly depending on where your entity is registered. MyCompanyWorks features a free startup learning center and compliance toolset designed to track mandatory filing deadlines. Utilizing these free automated calendar alerts ensures you file your state annual reports on time, avoiding severe state penalty fees, late interest charges, or administrative dissolution, which can cost hundreds of dollars to reverse. Finally, explore the MyCompanyWorks vendor network and strategic partner integrations. Forming an entity through their platform often unlocks partner discounts on essential business software, web hosting, accounting tools, and business checking accounts. Taking advantage of these back-end ecosystem credits allows you to offset your initial formation expenses completely. By declining unnecessary upsells, managing your EIN independently, strategically timing your purchase, and leveraging partner perks, you secure full corporate protection while keeping your startup capital intact. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.